Alright, man. So, I got some pipe. I got some wire. I got a welder. Because I could do that kind of shit now. Just fucking around. I can weld now. So, what I'm doing is, look, this corner was a little wide open. So I took a piece of metal and shoved it in there and welded it in. All the other corners came out good, but this one was just a little bit open. So I'm making a cat like hangout area back here, because if my cats come back here, my dogs like try to kill them. They love them when they're in the house, but out here, the dogs don't want them out here. So I'm gonna be putting this. It's about 6 by 10. I'm gonna put it right in that spot right there. It's gonna be all metal, so it won't look so bad, and the cats will be happier. They'll be able to come out and hang out, and that hopefully will help solve that'll hopefully solve my cat box problem. And yeah, so at that end over there, I'm gonna put a little hole, and there's gonna be a little tunnel, a cage tunnel going along here and into the house right there, so they can come out and hang out into this big area. I'm gonna put all kinds of catwalks and catwalks. I made it funny. Wow. But anyway, yeah, it is going to be about, I don't know, I'd say like 6, no, I'll make it like 8 foot high, because cats like to be up high. And I'll put a couple of catwalks on the very top. It'll be a flat top. I'll put some kind of plastic lightweight roof on the top, so you can come out in the rain and hang out. I'll do a level here. I'll do like a bridge, you know, and I'll do that fake grass on each little thing they lay on, because that's you can get it wet and shit. So that's it, man. So I come out here, and it's gonna go into that cat house, and that's what I'm doing today. That's metal conduit, electrical conduit. Hey, man, it lasts outside, man. That's what I have up in my treehouse, so I'm not too worried about it not lasting. And I'm going to be, you know, I'll weld a couple of little braces in there, and I'll have some wood framing inside too to hold my little catwalks and stuff. So that's it, guys. I gotta move all that shit. Yay! Later. All right, man. I got the top finished. Nice and rigid. Pretty strong. I mean, it's only going to hold up light wire. You know, it's a cat enclosure. It's not going to be people living in it. I thought I kept all of that extra wood, man. I have so many uses for it. So I'm just getting a nice flat, level surface with the railroad ties. And I'll probably put a door over here, maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe closer on this side. Put the door like right here. Make it like 7 foot. Like 7 foot high. Like right around up there. So, moving along. I had to move all of that first, then level all this. Freaking half dead already. It's not even started. Alright, guys. That's the wire I'm using. 100 feet of it. Plenty. On the top, I'll probably put something on there just for a shaded area. Maybe I'll roof half of it with some of that lightweight plastic. Do something like that. So, all right, man. I'll be back later. What's going on, guys? What do you want? Yeah, you're just using me for my pets and my food. That's all you want me for. That's right. Give me that nose. Thank you. Don't just sit there and let our child hit you in the face. Well, you're so high maintenance. All right, well, this is how far I got. So again, I missed a little weld in there, huh? Huh. So that's what I do. I was going. So I used a little bar here to strengthen it up. Not that it's got to be, you know, get crazy strong or anything. It'll be a light door, so that's plenty strong enough. I might even take these around with, because I got a bunch of extra, so might as well do something with it. That's it. I'm going to come out of there, out of the wall, through here, and I might come up like this. They can run up right to the top. And I'm going to go all the way around like a catwalk, all the way around the very top, because cats like to be up high. And then I'll make a couple of little steps down here, one down here. And I'm going to do like a rope bridge going this way, like, you know, dipping down. And I'll put a little closed area. Well, I don't know. I might get some of that plastic roofing and just do like half of it. You know, in case they want to get out of the sun, they can go in that half, and then the sun will be out here. And I'll do different levels of little shelves for them to hang out on. And I'll do a corner one here. Do like a little hammock kind of thing. I'm doing all this because they're not using the cat boxes in the house, so I'd like to at least get them outside, get them used to coming out here. Maybe they'll stop peeing and crapping out here. We'll see. Well, either way, it's fun to do, and they'll enjoy being outside. They're house cats, and if you put them outside in the front, they just sit there and shake. So, otherwise, I would let them out and let them, you know. My other cat, Carter, you can't keep him in. He loves it outside, but the other two, they're not outdoor cats. They'll get hurt out there, so I had to do something like this. You know, a pain in the asses, but they're my cats, so. So that's it. I'm going to put a little header there and make my little door. And then I probably will go around with those because it seems a lot stronger with that middle brace. I don't think I need any angled ones at all. It feels pretty rigid. The welder's working great, by the way. I mean, really, really good. And I just started to cover them up. I don't want to leave them exposed too long. I'm really not grinding any down. There's no reason to. I am cleaning them up with a wire brush on a drill. So this is what I'm doing this week. Tell you what, I got this shit done quick, man. I just worked on it a few hours yesterday, a couple hours today. Most of it was moving all of that shit. I'm just going to leave that over there because I'll use it. A lot of people would have thrown that out, man. You know how many times I've used that wood already? In fact, that whole deck underneath was from that wood. And that was a prime time when wood was as high as that. That would have costed me a fortune. It costed me nothing. Because I saved my shit. And look what's cool. I could even extend, because I don't want to have to buy too many of these. So I use one of their things and I just weld it in the holes. And once it's painted, you won't even see it. It'll blend right in. But I'll be stretching the wire across tomorrow. And I'm going to stop them here, or should I just wrap it right around? It looks cheap wrapped around. I might just spot weld like I did up top. Alright, guys. Happy Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, what's left of it. Later.